In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Chatgpt-4 API key. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or someone just curious about integrating AI capabilities into your applications, getting an API key is the crucial first step. So let's get started. First things first, head over to OpenAI's platform using your web browser. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not yet familiar with OpenAI's environment, take a moment to explore. But for our purposes, we're going straight to the API section. Once you're on the platform, navigate your way to the section labeled API Keys. This is typically located in the dashboard or in an easily accessible menu. By going here, you're in the right spot to start managing and generating your API keys. Next up, you'll see an option at the top right corner of the page that says Create New Secret Key. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to take the next step in creating your unique API key. It's straightforward, but if you pause to take things in, it'll make the process feel even smoother. Now that you're ready to create, you'll need to give your API key a name. This can be anything that helps you remember what this particular API key is for. For instance, if you're developing several projects, you might want to name this key after the particular project it will serve. Clarity is key here. A well-named API key ensures you can identify it quickly in your list of keys without any hassle. Moving on, it's time to set up permissions. Permissions dictate what your API key can do, and having the correct permissions is critical to maintaining security and functionality. Depending on your needs, you might want to allow different levels of access. If you're not entirely sure about what permissions to grant, it might be worth consulting some best practices for security or speaking with a colleague who knows the landscape of your project. After you've carefully set up your permissions, you'll click on Create Secret Key. This button will do exactly what it says, generating your new and secret API key. You may have to wait for a moment while the system processes your request, but soon enough, you'll have your key ready to use. Finally, and this is crucial, the very next thing you must do is to copy the key. This key is not like a password you can simply reset at the drop of a hat. If you lose it without copying, you'll have to create a new one from scratch. Paste it safely into a secure location, perhaps a password manager or an encrypted document. Doing this ensures you can access it whenever necessary without the risk of losing it. And that's it. You've successfully created a Chatgpt-4 API key, equipping you to integrate those powerful AI capabilities into your applications. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to keep your API key safe and happy coding.